Okay, what does this say? The price demand equation for gasoline is 0.2x plus 4p equals 75, where p is price per gallon in dollars and x is the daily demand measured in millions of gallons. Number one says write the demand x as a function of price. What? Okay, let's look at this question. This question is not asking you to solve. It's not asking you what is the price, what is the demand, et cetera, et cetera. It's asking you to rearrange the elements of this bad boy right here. It's asking you to rearrange the elements so that x is equals, not 75 equals, but x equals. Okay, my friends, here's what you need to remember. Every equation has a left side and a right side. If you do something to the left side, if you add or subtract or multiply or divide, or I guess we can actually write divide like this, you have to do the same thing to the right side. Okay. I would also highly recommend that you write all of these steps on paper because it is very easy to get lost and make a mistake, which I do all the time, when you don't write every single step. So we got our left side, we got our right side. I want the x alone. Solo, sad, lonely, emo boy x. The easiest thing, oh, I just up. Oh, undo. Oh, thank God for undo. Woo! Okay, the easiest thing to get rid of is the 4p, the plus 4p. Why is that the easiest thing to get rid of? I will tell you, because in between any number and letter is a tiny multiplication sign. It's harder here to get rid of the 0.2 times x. We'd have to divide everything. We're already going to have to do that anyway. But let's get rid of the easy part. Minus 4p. Like I told you, if you do it on the left side, you must do it on the right side. You rewrite your equation every time. Yes, I know it's annoying, but please, please trust me. This is 0. If I have 4 p's, 1, 2, 3, 4, that's what this means, 4p, and I subtract 4 p's, well, that's 0 p's. No p's, please. And I rewrite my equation like this. 75 minus 4p. Can't do anything with that 75 and 4p. They're not like terms. All right, now comes a slightly harder thing. 0.2p equals, oh, x, not p, my bad, equals 75 minus 4p. Okay, now, like I said before, in between every letter and number, if they're squished together, is a multiplication sign. I cannot add or subtract here. I can only do the opposite of multiplication, which is dividir, division, divide by 0.2 equals each element. I have to divide the 75 by 0.2, and I have to divide 4p by 0.2. Any number divided by itself, I'm looking at you, 0.2 divided by 0.2 is 1. So I can just rewrite that as x, 1x. I could write a 1 in front of it. I don't need to. That is 1x. Oy, oy, oy. Now we need a calculator. 75 divided by 0.2 is, I'm waiting. I'm punching in the numbers. Yeah, is 375. Okay. Now, do not forget this minus. Do not forget that. What is 4 divided by 0.2? 4 divided by 0.2, 4 divided by 0.2. Make sure you type in the right numbers in your calculator. Sometimes you don't, and you got to check. 20. That makes sense because this 0.2 is the same as 1/5. When you divide by a fraction, you actually multiply by its flip-floppy. 1/5 flopped is 5/1. 4 times 5 is 20. That's just a really fast math lesson. If you're like, I hate fractions, don't worry about it. So now we have x equals 375 minus 20p. This is our answer. Oh my God, so much math. We just moved everything around, my friends, so that the x equals 375 minus 20p. What is demand if the price is $8 per gallon? X equals millions of gallons. Remember, I want green. X is the demand. P is my price. Here they give me the price. So the only number I can put into my equation is 8 for P. I don't know X. They want me to tell them what is the demand. I don't know. So let's put in 8 for P. X equals 375 minus 20 times. Remember, when any time there's a letter and a number squished together, you have multiplication times 8. X equals 375. Write out all of your steps because then you know if you fuck up. 20 times 8 is 160. Can I get a calculator check? See, I think that's right. I'm pretty sure it's right. I'm still going to check on my calculator because I'm human. 20 times 8. If you're lucky, you have an assistant with a cell phone who does it all for you. It's 160. Woo! 375 minus 160 equals 215. And remember, that is in millions of gallons. Millions of gallons.